Welcome back, guys. Christina Johnson, Christina's Dessertery. Today I'm taking you into my kitchen to teach you how I make my flawless vanilla buttercream, because every amazing cake starts with amazing icing. Now on to supplies. You need your mixer with a paddle attachment. You need 5 sticks of unsalted butter, a rubber spatula, 4 tablespoons of vanilla, 3/4 cup milk, 2.5 cups shortening, 3 pounds powdered sugar, and some type of cloth. So I added the shortening and the butter inside of the mixer. You're gonna do this, turn it on slow, wait until it starts combining, and then pick up the speed. I just went up 1. It's combined a little more, so now we can go a little faster. I'm gonna go up 2. We're trying to fully blend the butter and the shortening. I'm gonna go up even faster. Okay, so I let it go for about 2 minutes on that fast setting, and now I'm gonna take my spatula after I shut it off and scrape all of it back down in there. So for this next part, you need to take that cloth and put it over with just a little bit of an opening. We're gonna put it on, just stir, so it's on a very slow speed, and then we're going to gradually put in our powdered sugar. First I'm going to do the 2 pounds. This is really hard to do with one hand. Sorry, I have the camera in one hand and this in the other hand. Okay, that was the first bag. And then we're going to take half of the milk. Let it go a little bit. And then we're going to stream in the next bag. The rest of the milk. Now it's starting to get messy, so I'm going to put this down a little bit and turn it up. Just letting it combine. Lower it down, and then we're going to do the last pound, 2 pounds. And then close the lid. Just let it mix a little bit. Turn it up 1. You can peek to see how it's incorporating. It's getting there, but powdered sugar is flying in the air. Okay, it's starting to look good. After the powdered sugar is pretty much inside of there, shut it off and take your spatula and scrape down the sides again. And then turn it up to 8. We're gonna let this go for about 5 minutes. you do this. Just kind of scrape the side to make sure it's fully incorporated, but only do this if you're very familiar with mixers and spatulas and you've done icing before. Okay, so it's run for about 5 minutes. And you see how it looks very smooth, no bubbles. But you also see that the paddle is completely submerged. This is very important. See how the paddle is completely submerged underneath the icing? When you do that, it creates a suction and it takes all of the bubbles out of the icing. So that has to happen. Your paddle attachment has to be completely under the icing in order for it to be flawless. This ran for about 5 minutes. And I want to show you. Check it out. Look at that. No air, no bubbles, completely flawless, awesome, smooth, creamy buttercream. Bam!